So, hi guys, once again, welcome back to LDGaming. So, I know that I have not posted for quite some time. I'm sorry for not keeping you posted with the things that I have been doing for the past 2-3 months. It's because of the fact that I'm having problems currently with creating content. First and foremost, because I don't have the I'm saving up for a PC because as you can see here, wait, I'll turn the camera. As you can see here, I am using my laptop, my Asus N550JK for my workstation. So it's running an i7 of 4700 HQ and a GTX 850M with 16 gigs of DDR3L RAM. So as you can see, it is packed with features, but unfortunately it is now time to replace it because of the fact that the GTX 850M is not really that reliable anymore in terms of rendering and editing video content. So enough of the talking. I have a product that will surely catch your eye. As you might have known, I am a Razer fan because as you can see, I have this the Razer Lancet. I use the Razer Black Widow Chroma. I also use the my Razer headphones. It's the Kakarias, I think, if I pronounce it right. But unfortunately, I replaced it with the Corsair Void because it has better audio quality and mic quality since I do not have a mic for it. So without further ado, let's unbox my next Razer product.
LDGaming.
So now, are you guys ready? So my next Razer product is no other than dun, 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 the newest speaker of Razer, the Razer Nomo Chroma, of course, because RGB is life. So as you can see, it has this ties because I just bought it. Actually, my girlfriend bought it for me as a gift a while ago because we ate and it's our anniversary. So if you're watching this, babe, happy 3rd anniversary. I love you so much. So once again, thank you for making this your anniversary gift for me. I know I haven't bought you something, but I'll buy it for you next week. So stay still. Say I'll buy you the thing that you want me to buy for you. So there. Enough of the talking about that, and let's unbox this. So I know that it's been a few months since the Razer Nomo series, meaning the Nomo Chroma, and the Nomo Pro has been released like 3-4 months. But yeah, it's better late than never, right? So and everything that I have here that I am using right now has a special meaning. So these things are given to me as a gift. So I really treasure this thing. So even though it's not that the latest things that we have right now, but it's a gift, guys. So it has this sentimental feeling about it. So without further ado, let's open this up. So at first glance, as you can see, it has a pretty big package. So like it's pretty heavy too. It has 2 speakers, obviously. It has 3-inch full range drivers, as the tech spec says. It has a digital USB audio input, since this one is the Chroma version, because the Nomo, the regular one with the non-RGB one, uses I think the the auxiliary cable. So let's open this up. There. So as you can see, it's still sealed. I haven't tested it yet since I want to open it here on the channel. So I haven't seen it physically. So it's the same for both of us, I think. So let's open it up. Oh, there. That's it. And the other one, there. And we have successfully removed the tape. And there we go. Wait, I'll give you a better view of this. So here, I'll give you a proper unboxing experience. So I'll get the Razer Nomo Chroma. So here it is. It's a pretty big box. So let's open it. So there, as you can see. Wait, I'll hit the camera. So another one. And there, as you can see. There are instructions on how to pull it out. So as you can see, we did the first part properly. The next part is this one. So we need to lift this up, and it reveals the plastic, the protective plastic for the Razer Nomo. So lift this up, and there. So as you can see, the camera is the speaker, the speaker is pretty protected because it has this hard plastic enclosure with some what's this, some pouch. So how do we pull it out? Yeah, it says here number 4. It's number 4. So there, number 4, we need to pull it with the plastic enclosure. So yes, all we need to do is lift this up and wait for it. Oh, these speakers. What's the popping sound? Maybe it's the pouch. Oh no! Wait, I'll do this here on the floor so I can lift this properly. Just wait a second, guys. So after 5 minutes of tinkering on how to lift this up properly, we have successfully removed it from the box. So as you can see, there, the plastic, and here is the what's this? The cables, I think. Yeah. Let's open it. So there, here's your power brick. It's regional, so it really depends on your region. So as you can see, it has this adapter that slots in 4 different regions. So this one is the, what do you call this? The Asian version, I think. So what's the other thing? So this one is the 3.5mm jack. So there. And what else do we have? Yeah, that's it, I guess. So now that we have successfully set aside the cables and stuff, let's pull this thing out. So first one is the slave, I think the right one, because the other one has all of the cables in it, so it's not really that flexible, not like this one. I call it slave because it doesn't have the cable. So yeah, so here it is, and it's pretty big, guys. So as you can see here, wait, let's move this here so you guys can see. There, as you guys can see, it's pretty neat. It's the glass woven fibers, as they call it, and we have some bubble wrap. So it has this sleek black finish, which is really normal to all Razer products. And here's where you plug your adapter for the audio and the power. So it's only one cable. And there we go. This is the left side. I'm sorry. So it's the left side, not the right side. So power comes from the right, and yeah, the master speaker is the right side. So as you guys can see, the beautiful etching, the Razer logo. I hope you guys could see it properly. And what else? Yeah. So it's pretty big. The speaker is pretty big. It has this exhaust vents for the bass, and this is the RGB, the bass itself. As you guys can see, it's pretty not that glowy, I think, but it's pretty neat because it's there. The RGB is there because once again, RGB is life, guys. So let's unbox the rest. Moving on with our other speaker and our other cables as well. So you guys can see it properly. I'll open this. So there, I hope this one helps. So this one, as I've said, the RGB version comes with the USB port because this one is for your Razer Synapse and your RGB. So there. And let's lift this up, and the other cable is for your other speaker, I mean. So I think this one is their own port, I think. Was this proprietary? Yeah, that's what they call it, I think. It's their own port. So I hope I don't break it. So that's it in the package, and let's just set it up and let's get ready to test it. So here it is, guys. I tried to keep it the cable management pretty decent. I know it's not decent enough because of the fact that I'm using a laptop, but nevertheless, let's try it. So I'm gonna move it here so that you guys can see how to turn this Razer speaker on. So you just need to press the volume button down once, and there you go, it lights up green. So I don't know if you guys could see it, but yeah, it's there, it's green. So it will load the installer, which is this one. So I'm not sure why it needs to install this because I already have the Razer Synapse here. So here, guys, I'll give you a better view. So you might not see it here on the small screen, so I'll shift it here. So as you can see, I'm using the Razer Synapse 2.0 to control all of my Razer stuff. So the Black Widow X Chroma, the Lancet Tournament Edition, and this one pops up. So the Razer Nomo Chroma uses the new Razer Synapse 3, I think, from what I can remember. So let's see. What does it use? What's this? What's Razer Cortex? From optimizing your system's full potential to finding the best game prices. Nah, I don't need that. What's this one? Macro keys. Yeah, we need that. I don't need the Philips U. So basically, it uses the new Razer Synapse 3.0. Yeah. So I'm not sure if I could use the old one because unfortunately, it could not be detected by the Razer 2.0. So I need to install this one and hit install, and I hope it would work. So now that we have Razer Synapse 3 installed, you can now do advanced lighting wherein we could sync everything across the board. So basically, this one, the left side of the speaker, the Razer Nomo. This one is the Black Widow Chroma, and this one is my Lancehead mouse, and this one is the right Razer Nomo speaker. So as you can see, if I press the spacebar, it will travel across everything. So that's a good thing. So obviously, and once we're done with that, as you can see, everything just ripples. So now that we are done with the lighting thing, now let's test how it sounds. So now we will compare the Razer Nomo with my current Asus speaker. So here is a test sample from my Asus speaker. So as you can see, the The RGB is very nice. So that one is the Asus speaker that I'm currently using. So as you can see, there is a lack of bass. It is there, but there is lack of bass and proper sound quality. So let's shift to the Razer Nomo. So now this is for the Razer Nomo. So since I know that the Razer Nomo could be quite loud, I have just set the setting of this one to 50 and the bass also to that's normal. So I haven't touched anything with the bass and the volume. So let's see how it sounds. So as you can see here, the Razer Nomo has more bass and also it has this very full range of volume. So I hope this has been a very nice unboxing and comparison as well of the Razer Nomo Chroma. So once again, thank you guys for watching, and I'll try to make more content as much as possible. So I hope you like this video, give it a like, and please subscribe to LDGaming. So once again, thank you guys for watching, and I'll catch you on the next one. Peace.